In this video, I will demonstrate the routing use case for OCI network firewall insertion with Intra-VCN routing. For this demonstration, I have provisioned an application tier virtual machine, a web tier virtual machine, and OCI network firewall, each residing in their own subnets as shown. OCI network firewall is placed between the web tier and application tier subnets in the same VCN. In the subnet route tables of web tier and application tier, we add a route rule to send the traffic in each direction to the private IP of the OCI network firewall. In the policy that we have attached with the firewall, I have allowed the web tier subnet to communicate with the application tier subnet for all the protocols and ports. Now let's see the packet flow. After adding the required route rules as shown, traffic originating from the source virtual machine within the web tier subnet is directed to the private IP address of the OCI network firewall using its subnet route table entry. The OCI network firewall permits the traffic based on the configured security policy. The OCI network firewall then forwards the traffic to the destination virtual machine in the application tier subnet. Return traffic follows the same path, passing through the OCI network firewall before being routed back to the source. Now let's try to initiate some traffic from web tier to the application tier. Let's try MTR to trace the path. As expected, traffic is being routed through the network firewall. Now let's verify the same in the network firewall logs. We can see the intended traffic being allowed and all the details such as source and destination IPs, protocols, and also the filter rule matching the traffic. To learn more, please visit docs.oracle.com. Thank you for watching the video.